Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use file tags. File tags are essentially digital labels you attach to your files, like sticky notes for your computer. They allow you to categorize and organize your documents, photos, and videos in a much more flexible way than just using folders. Think of them as powerful keywords that make finding anything on your device incredibly simple and fast. We'll cover everything from basic tagging to advanced strategies. So, why bother with file tags? Well, the biggest benefit is vastly improved searchability. Imagine needing to find all files related to Project Alpha and marketing with tags. It's a breeze. You can quickly filter and locate exactly what you need, saving you potentially hours of searching through nested folders. Tags also allow one file to belong to many categories simultaneously, which is a huge advantage over rigid folder structures. Let's dive into the practical side of tagging. Most operating systems, like Windows and Mac OS, have built-in features for adding tags. Typically, you can right-click on a file, go to its Properties or Get Info section, and find a field for tags or keywords. It's crucial to use consistent and descriptive keywords. For example, instead of report, try Q3 sales report or client meeting notes. This consistency makes future searches much more effective. For advanced users, consider developing a tagging hierarchy. This means using both broad tags, like project, and more specific ones, such as Project Alpha Marketing. Many systems allow you to create smart folders or saved searches that automatically gather files based on specific tag combinations. Aim for about 3 to 5 tags per file for good balance. Remember to periodically review and adjust your tagging system to keep it efficient and relevant to your evolving needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.